Hi viewers, hi everyone. Thank you for following our YouTube channel Mind Maths. And still now, if anyone not subscribed, please subscribe now. Today's topic is cube root. How we can find the cube root in one step. That means in 5 seconds only. Okay, we can learn this in this class. And first, you can see one first problem. Cube root of 12,167 is equal to how much? How we can find this in one step or in 5 seconds? How we can find? Okay, let us see. Before that, I am requesting you, if anyone not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel and like. Also comment in the comment section. Also you share to your friends and relatives. Okay. Now we have to see the solution. How we can find the cube root of this number in one step. Here, to find this, here we have two conditions. First one is this number, the given number is must be cubic number. And the second one, we should keep in our mind these numbers. That means these cubes, cubic numbers. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 2. These numbers we have to know first. Okay, up to 10 cube. 10 cube is equal to 1000. And here we can observe that this 1 cube ends with 1. 2 cube ends with 8. 3 cube ends with 7. 4 cube ends with 4. 5 cube ends with 5. 6 cube ends with 6. 7 cube ends with 3. 8 cube ends with 2. 9 cube ends with 9. 0. That means 10 cube ends with 0. So here we can observe that 1, if a number ends with 1 and its cube also ends with 1. Okay, this is one thing. A number ends with 1 and its cube also ends with 1. Okay, next here 2, a number ends with 2, then its cube also ends with ends with 8. Like that, so on we can learn this one. And here you see 1 ends with 1 only. Okay, this one. Next 4 ends with 4 only. 5 ends with 5 only. 6 ends with 6. Okay, and next 9 ends with 9. 10 ends with 10. Okay, that means the number ends with 1 and next 4, next 5, 6, next 9, 0 ends with these numbers, these digits. Also its cube also ends with the same number. That means that a number ends with 1, its cube also ends with 1. And a number ends with 4, its cube also ends with 4. Like that, so on up to here. And the remaining numbers 2, 3, next to 8, 7 ends with another numbers. Okay, here also one relation is there. Once you see 3 ends with 7, 7 ends with 3. Okay, it is important. 2 ends with 8, also 8 ends with 2. Okay, this is the correlation. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, a number ends with these digits. Also its cube ends with the same digits. And next 2 ends with 8, 8 ends with 2. 3 ends with 7, 7 ends with 3. Okay, now we have to see the answer for this. Okay, first we have to take first 3 digits from left side, right side, or ones place digit onwards. Okay, take ones place digit. That means the given number ends with 7. Okay, once we have to check whether which one ends with this one 7. Okay, only one number. That means so the number ends with 3. Then its cube ends with this number. That's why we can say that cube root of this number, cube root of this number. For example, this one, you see here, cube root of 27 ends with 3 only. That is why here, cube root of this number ends with 3. So, ones place digit of this answer we got. Okay, and now you leave these 3 digits, ones place digit, tens and hundreds place digits. These 3 digits you leave, and the remaining digits, these 2 digits, 1 to 12. Okay, now you observe this 12 is near to which cubic numbers? Okay, actually this 12 is less than 27 and 8. That means this 12, our number 12, is more than 8, less than 27, which are cubic numbers. 8 and 27 are cubic numbers. 2 cube, this value is 2 cube, and this value is 3 cube. Okay? So the least number, that means the less number of this 12, less number of 12 is 8, and its cube root is 2. Cube root is 2. So the tens place digit is 2. This 2 we have to take here. Therefore, cube root of 12,167 value is 23. Okay, let us take one more example. Cube root of 103823. Cube root of this one, 1,03,823. What is the cube root of this value? So, as usual, we have to take these 3 digits, and first we have to check ones place digit 3. So, you see, and there is 3, this one. Okay, if the cube root of, that means a cubic number ends with 3, cubic number ends with 3, and its cube root ends with 7. So, ones place digit we got, that is 7, and just you leave these 3 digits, you leave, and the remaining digits are 103, so you write here 103, and more than which cubic number? Here 125 will come here, and 64 will come here. That means 103, our number, this number, more than 64, which is cubic number, and less than 125, which is cubic number. And so we have to take this number, that means lesser than the given number we have to take, and its cube root is 4. Cube root is 4. That's why we have to take 4 in tens place digit. So its answer is 47. Its answer is 47. And let us take one more example. Two six two 144. Okay, now we're taking this number. Okay, we try to write in one step only. Okay, so first these 3 digits, first digit, that means ones place digit is 4. So if cubic number ends with 4, its a cube also ends with 4. So ones place digit came. Okay, units place digit 4, and now we have to find tens place digit here. So to find tens place digits, we remove these for 3 digits, and the remaining digits 262. This 262 is more than 216 and less than 343. So lesser number is 216. 216 cube root is 6. So 6 is its tens place digit. That's it. The 64 is the answer. Let us take one more example. Cube root of 7042144. Okay, its value is, first we have to take units place digit 4. So 4 is also ends with okay, 1 minute.